That is a karate champ from Korea. This one is a judo punch from Japan. Yeah.
When him wake up, I tell him say that is a 2B4 from Mr. Chin's store.
Okay, students, what would you like to be when you grow up? What about you, Winji? What would you like to be?
Well, miss, I want to be a shopkeeper.
And what about you, Aloysius? What would you like to be?
Miss, I want to be a farmer like my daddy.
Elsie, what about you? What would you like to be?
Thank you for asking, miss. Me want to be a mother and a housewife with 5 pitney.
Thank you, Elsie. Big boy, what about you? What would you like to be when you grow up?
Well, miss, mine very easy. Me want be the father of Elsie 5 pitney them. I want to get something for my wife. You can show me a nice bottle of perfume?
Absolutely. I can show you this one for about $5,000.
No. That's too much.
Okay, I can show you a bracelet that's about $2,000.
No, sir. That one is still a bit too much.
Okay, you could give her a nice ring and that's about $1,000.
My girl. This is what I mean. I want to see something really cheap.
Alright then, looking at the mirror. Is the date running late?
No, not that one. Me just get a brand new watch and me I try test it out. It's a state of the art.
State-of-the-art watch? What's so special about it?
Enough things, but one of the feature uses alpha waves to talk to me telepathically. You want to see?
Okay.
Wait to tell you now.
Whoa! It's saying now we're in a panty.
It must be broken now because me I wear my panty.
Damn thing 1 hour fast. So my mission now is to eliminate your drawers.
What? You disgusting pervert! Your watch did right. Bye!